Do you want to triple your sales using extension with Google Ads? So stay here with me until the end and you will find a way to how to do it. My name is Edgarfxz. If you don't know me, it's time to subscribe to this beautiful channel, active the bell, and give me a like if you like this content. So let's get started. I'm going to do this as fast as possible because you really want to know how to do it. Well, you already have a search campaign working, and in this case I'm going to work with this with the restaurant 2020/2 because this is the campaign for the English teaching. The other one is for Spanish. So we're going to click here and I'm going to explain you every extension that Google offers. So we're going to click here in the add an extension, then we're going to click here on the extensions, and we're going to click here and on the plus. So I don't know, well, we're going to click here in the side link extension. Just if you have in your business, well, I'm working with a restaurant. So in my restaurant, I offer some features in my restaurant. For example, room for business and obviously the restaurant. So we have a small area dedicated for businesses. So I offer this. So in this part, you'll have to go to your web. I'm going to my website and I'm going to click here. That is called Jardín Chevatlan or Chevatlan Garden in English. And I'm going to copy paste the link and I'm going to click here to paste my link, and here I'm going to add here business room. And here the description, I can say the special special waiters for you are probably audio included for presentations, because in some business meeting it's necessary to have these kind of features. So I'm going to click here in save, and I want to fill the other side links because I'm going to go as fast as possible. So, but if you have more, you can add all your side links and do the description. So in this case, I'm going to write only one, or if you only offer 2 or 3 features, that's everything. Just you have to write what you are really offering. The next one is the call out extension. For example, if you have something new in your menu, in my case in my restaurant, or probably a new beer, I'm going to offer here on the headline. For example, I am offering a new kind of pizza that is a pastor pizza. This is a combination of pastor tacos in Mexico and pizza, so it's a delicious here in Mexico. Probably in other countries, I don't know, but here, at least here in Mexico, it is a successful product. And the next one, the call out extension, for example, I don't know, you can add here an offer on craft beer Mondays. And you're going to fill with all the callouts that you already have. In this case, I'm going to write only 2 because just for time you really want to know how to do more about this. So the next one is the call extension. We already have it. Probably is the most used extension, the call extension for any other for most of the ads when you are creating your first ad for the first time. and I want to explain it again. So the next one is the lead form extension. We're going to click here. Just if you as me, as I have a restaurant, you want to do some reservation, you can create here, and the call to action you can create here the book now. In this case, if you offering something else, you can call the action the risk according what you are offering. The extension text could be book now, how many people come to dinner at Chevatlan. I don't know, this is something that we can offer. And you can create here. Well, in this part, it is for if you are looking for clients, if you want to call them to close the sale. So in this part, the headline could be for restaurants. In this case, for if I want to open another place, another location in another city, it could be I am creating a new store. So in this case, open your Chevatlan store. Business name, Chevatlan. Here in the description, you can describe all the things that you want to explain. So I'm just going to write some sentences. Start your business with a recognized brand and start as soon as possible. The information that you want to add could be the name, phone number, email, name, and probably that's everything, because people don't really want to give more information. So it is important to only ask at least 3 questions. The next part is if you add more questions, you can add here, and even if you want to add some background image, you can add here, and that's everything. In this case, I'm going to save, but if you have more questions, you can fill with all the things that you want. And in this case, you already have a privacy policy URL. So in this case, I want to place it because I don't know my privacy policy. I have it, but I don't know in this moment, but you already have it. It is easy to create one. You have to Google it and you're going to have it. So in this case, I'm going to click here in cancel because I don't have my privacy policy. But if you already have it, just place it because it is important. The next extension that you already have, you can add here the location extension, where you can add if you already have on Google My Business your profile, you can add it. So in this case, I have already added my Chevatlan. It is here, and that's everything. The next one, I'm going to click here on save, and the next one affiliate location extension is if you already have more than 2 locations. For example, if you have one in one city, for example, in my case, I have one at Tlaxcala. Well, we have only one place, but if I were an important big chain, for example, McDonald's, Starbucks, and any other, I can only affiliate location extension. For example, with this store, they have many around the world. So you have to add the affiliate location here, and you already have your store in other cities. So in this case, I want to select the price extension. Just if you already have, for example, here in my case, I have pizzas, hamburgers, craft beer. So I'm going to click here in the type, brands, like neighborhood, in brands, currency. In my case, I am offering things in Mexican peso. And you can add here the price of what are you offering. For example, in this case, I am going to offer pizza al pastor. The price is already 119 Mexican pesos. I'm going to add here Franciscana beer. Well, you have to add here the description. Pizza al pastor with pastor meat. A short description with only 25 characters. The final URL you're going to place here the same. For example, if you already have, I don't know, your landing page or something related, just if you have a restaurant, if you have an online website that you are offering something else, just you have to add something different. So you can add here more information, well, the final URL, just if you have it. In this case, I'm going to add the same. And if you have more than one product, you can add here, and you already have. Well, you have to add one by one of all of your products and services. In this case, I'm going to click here and save, but well, Google asks for at least 3 prices extension items. So in this case, I want to finish because for time, and you already want to know more how to create more extensions. And the next one is the app extension. In this case, I want to add here because I don't have any app extension, but if you already have an app extension, you have to click here. The promotion extension, for example, just if you have some discount, for example, for Black Friday, or in Mexico is the Good Weekend, and just you have to add, I don't know, probably discount of the 50% off or something else. So you have to click here. For example, I have a craft beer at I don't know, something like that. And you're going to place here your final URL, and that's everything. So as you can see, it is completely easy to do this. If you